Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you more proof that the Infinity processing system actually works, okay? So, back on December 2nd, I was watching Jeopardy, and I received an email notification that I received a payment of $150. So this person joined at the elite level and is ready to earn commissions from those who purchase the starter level and or the elite level. Okay, so that's my first payment this past week. And then this morning when I was getting ready to go to our soap company, I received a $50 payment, and this person signed up for the starter level. Okay, so really all I'm doing every day now is I'm spending between 15 to 30 minutes a day at the most, making some posts on social media and then replying back to people who reach out wanting more information. So it's as simple as that. If you're interested, there's a link down in the description box. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. You simply enter your name, your email, and then click I want to make $300 a day. That'll take you over to the Infinity processing system sales page. Alright, so there's a short video here that you can watch. It'll give you all the information you need, and then you can go through the rest of the page here and check out everything, okay? So it's a super simple program. Once you sign up and have access to this, you get everything in the back office, from videos on giving you a winning mindset, on what to say when people ask you for information, the art of persuasion and influence. You're going to get pre-written ads that are highly convertible with images that you can use on all the social media sites. And really, it's up to you if you succeed or not, okay? I can't promise you that you're going to make any money with this, but I can promise you that if you sign up, go through the training, take massive action, and show up and treat this like a real business every day, that there's no reason you can't have success with this, okay? If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as I can. Hope to see you on the inside. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Please consider giving me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.